next up, I got this cute little trash can. Can't wait to throw myself in this when school starts and I'm dying of schoolwork. College is all about having backups, B plans, plan B. No, I'm kidding. Please don't make it about plan B. I'm taking you guys along with me so we can go college shopping. I didn't know college shopping was this stressful. Like buying most of the things that I need to move into my dorm, and move-in day is like 9 days from now, so I'm super excited. If you guys didn't watch my college shopping video, I'll link it down below. This is basically kind of like a part 2 of that video. I took you guys shopping with me, and then I came home, bought some things online, returned some things, found some things for cheaper prices, and now I'm gonna be sharing with you guys everything that I bought for my dorm. I'm sorry for the bland background. I just had to film this video on the floor because there's some really big items in this video, and I don't want to like carry them up in the air and like drop them in or whatever. So yeah, sorry, we're gonna be on the floor. There's a lot to show you guys, and I didn't want to like go through the hassle of that. Okay, let's go ahead and get started. I want to start off with like one of the bigger items in this video, which is this comforter snooze set. So I went ahead and ordered some things from Urban Outfitters Home. Girl, I got you. I know Urban Outfitters can be expensive as frick, and I'm definitely not the type of person to spend like $1 million on like stupid items. So these were all off of the sale section, so I got you, don't worry. So the bed in my dorm room is a twin extra large, which is basically like a twin bed but longer, and I personally didn't have any twin extra large anything. I never had a twin extra large bed. So I bought this comforter snooze set that comes with a comforter, a fitted sheet, a pillowcase, and a laundry bag, and I guess the laundry bag is just the bag it comes in. And I'm not gonna take it out because what would I show you guys? Like a huge comforter, you get the idea of what it is. But I just want to tell you guys that this is the softest fabric. Like it feels really super soft. I think they call it like the t-shirt comforter just because it's as soft as like a vintage t-shirt. If you're, you know, going into a dorm, a lot of dorms have twin extra larges. You can check them out. I'm gonna continue with Urban Outfitters because I actually bought some like cute decor items. So my roommate and I decided to make our dorm like all white with a hint of like blush pink and a little bit of gray. So I bought this pillow. It's so soft. It was originally $50, but I think I got it for like $20. Again, super soft. I don't want to overcrowd my dorm, so I'm not gonna like buy a bajillion other pillows, but I just wanted to have one cute one just for like decoration purposes. And then I also liked it because the color matched the color of this tapestry that I bought, because I wanted to hang a tapestry over my bed. This is what it looks like. I'll insert a picture of what it looks like on a wall right here because obviously I'm not going to be able to open up the tapestry and to show you the whole design. Urban Outfitters has a lot of tapestries, so if you're looking for like cute ones, you can check them out. I feel like I made a good decision by getting like a lighter colored one. Nothing like super crazy. I feel like if you get something with like a crazy ass design, you'll just get sick of it because you're just sitting in the tiny room for like most of the time. The next thing I bought were these Firefly string lights, which are super, super long. So my bed's in the corner, so it's by 2 walls. So behind my bed, I want to put the tapestry up, and then on the other side, like on the wall, I want to hang some Firefly lights because I love like lights. Like I'm still literally stuck in that 2010 Tumblr phase. I just think it makes your room so much cozier, adds such a like cuter vibe. I don't really know. Usually these are like freaking expensive on Urban Outfitters, but I got them on sale because, you know, I love a good bargain. And I'll again insert a picture of what they will look like once they go up on the wall. But yeah, this is what they look like in the box. This was in their like under $10 section. So I got this little marble tray for laying out all my jewelry, and I didn't really like think how heavy this would be. Like this shit is like, if this fell on my head, I'd probably pass out. And I have a lot of jewelry. I really don't know how I'm gonna organize all of that in my dorm room. My dorm is small. Like even though I'm in a double, it's still like not a lot of space. I think that's everything I got from Urban Outfitters. The rest of the stuff are just from random stores. This little makeup organizer thing I got from Marshall's for my everyday makeup. You guys know I have like the whole like Alex 9 drawers right now for my makeup, and like I can barely fit everything in there. But I don't really wear a lot of makeup on a daily basis, so I don't think I'm gonna be bringing a lot of makeup with me to college. The makeup that I am bringing is going in here. I don't even know what I'm gonna put this on. Like, our room comes with a small desk that's meant to be like for your work. I want to move in first just to see like the space because I'm not that familiar with the room yet. I don't want to like overbuy things and not have space for them and have to return them. I want to go in first, live in it for a little, see what I need. So in my college shopping video, I was talking about how basically the mattress that you get in college isn't that comfortable and also like comes with like a lot of bug problems. So you need to get a lot of shit to like layer on top of it to make it comfortable, and then also like cover it with a bunch of like bug repellent cases. Like, it's a show. I didn't know college was such a show. I purchased this 400 thread count mattress pad and I was like, what the fuck is a mattress pad? It's literally just like extra fabric. It kind of feels like a comforter, like that you like hook onto your mattress and then put a sheet over so that it's more like soft. So yeah, we got this mattress pad. Hopefully I can, you know, get some good sleep on that. I had to get a couple sheet sets for my comforter, my bed, my pillows. I got two, and this is by the brand Threshold, and I am really picky when it comes to my bed sheets. Like, if it's just like cotton, I can't. Like, if it's just like the sheets you get at IKEA, I don't know, I'm so used to like sleeping on like silk or like sateen. My skin gets super irritated. Like, I have really sensitive skin, so you know, I'm a little bougie in that sense. These were like 100% organic because, you know, there aren't like silk bed sheets for twin extra large beds because they're meant for dorms. I don't think they like invented them. So I had to go for like organic sheet sets, but they're super soft. Like, I'm actually really happy with them. They feel really soft. So if you're also like me and you want some super soft bed sheets for your dorm, go for the brand Threshold. They're really nice. I think my mom got them at Target. I'm not sure. You can probably find them online. This is a sheet set, so it comes with like the whole package, and then she also just got me like another flat sheet just for my bed. Towels. Oh my god, I never thought I'd haul towels. Okay, so I had to buy two sets just because, you know, college is all about having backups, B plans. Plan B, no, I'm kidding. Please don't make it about Plan B. I love being PG on my channel, but it's just like this really soft pink towel set. You know, pink, like I'm a quirky college girly girl. It has this nice little pattern. Me showing you guys my towels. And then I also got one for my head. I got another set. You should have two. That's what it said on the checklist. You know, just in case like you want to wash the other one, but then shower, and then you're like, fuck, I don't have a towel, and you're stuck in the bathroom and it's awkward. You don't want that. I got you. Guess what, guys? My mom got me another twin extra large sheet set. I love how I keep saying my mom got me because literally she did most of the shopping for me because I don't. Like, I feel like I'm like moving into my own apartment or something. Like, this is weird. I've never bought like sheet sets. Like, you just have them in your house. But she bought me another one. I'm really weird where I like wash my sheets a lot. I like sleeping in clean sheets like all the freaking time. So that's why she bought me like, you know, a lot. And then I got myself this super soft blanket. Again, like I said, I'm going for the whole blush theme, and then I get really cold. So I got this room spray. It's lavender vanilla, which is my favorite scent in the whole entire world. I hope my roommate appreciates this. Oh my god, it actually smells miraculous. Love that for us. Love. Hangers. They're also blush. I didn't even plan this. It was just like color coordination at its best. I need more. Like, you think I'm gonna hang all my clothes on 10, 25 hangers? Like, no. I need to order like 7 more packs of these. On the little checklist of what I need for my dorm, it said like little storage boxes for food. So I went ahead and bought like this 3-pack. I think this is from IKEA. I'm just so confused as to why I need this because we don't have a kitchen. I don't cook. What's the deal with this? You know, we'll figure it out in the upcoming weeks. I'll probably figure it out. If they put it on the list, there must be a reason. Next up, I got this cute little trash can. Can't wait to throw myself in this when school starts and I'm dying of schoolwork. So I actually did get these from Bed Bath & Beyond because I feel like they're essential. They're like space-saving hangers, so they're for your pants. I have a lot of pants, and pants take up the most amount of space in my closet. Ow! Paper cut, dude. Not even paper cut. Cardboard cut. Ow. I got a Brita, which is a water filtration system. Healthier, great tasting water. I don't know, my roommate told me to get this, so she must know what she's talking about. My mom bought some like filters for it. You have to buy this and the filters. They want you to spend more money than you already did. My favorite part. I have to put these, What even are these? These are bed bug proof anti-allergy pillow protectors. So you zip your pillows into these like pillow protectors and then you put your pillowcase over it. Santa Barbara is by the beach. Bed bugs. When I went for orientation, I woke up covered in ants. Like, it was the nastiest shit. So I made sure to get these. And then I also got one for my mattress. Look how happy this family looks. Like, that's gonna be me in college. Like, being like, I love not being covered in bugs. We have these huge ass storage bins that open up and they go under your bed. I'll explain. So I was thinking to myself, where do I fit this exactly like huge ass drawer? Like, do I put it in my closet? Like, how does this work? I later found out that our beds are actually like 3 to 4 feet above the ground. And I was like, they're up in the air and then you have a lot of space under and you just stack on these like underbed drawers and you can get like 4 or up to 6, I think, which is great because it's just a bunch of space. So that's everything I got for my dorm. After filming this video, I feel like I might be missing a few things. But yeah, I'm so excited to move into college. Like, I'm so excited for it to start. I know it's gonna be pretty hectic with YouTube just because I've recently been uploading like 2 videos a week and I want to keep that up. But I also feel like it'll be an opportunity for me to get so much more content. I do want to film my move-in day, but I also feel like it's such a special like day, and also it's gonna be so crazy because we don't get a lot of time to move in because there is so many people moving in that I don't want to like waste people's time and be like walking in the hallway with my vlog camera while they're like, can you move? We're trying to move in. So we'll see how that goes. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you're in college or you feel like I'm missing something or definitely need to add something to my dorm, make sure you guys leave it in the comments. Like, that would be so helpful for me. And yeah, I love you guys so much, all the way to Pluto and back. Bye!